Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Honda HRN is probably one of the most anticipated lawnmowers in recent years, and for good reason. This machine promises to redefine your lawn care experience. Today, we're diving deep into what makes the Honda HRN stand out from the competition, exploring its innovative features, user-friendly design, and overall performance to help you decide if it's the perfect fit for your lawn care needs. Number 5. Honda 17211Z8B 901 Air Filter. This is a brand new air filter from Honda. It's designed to keep your engine running smoothly. Replace it to ensure optimal performance. This air filter is a genuine Honda part, so you know it's made to last. It's a direct replacement, making installation easy. Get yours today and keep your engine healthy. By replacing your old air filter with this new one, you'll notice a difference. It helps improve fuel efficiency and overall engine performance. It's a simple upgrade with big benefits. This air filter is designed for easy installation. You can replace it yourself in minutes. Just follow the instructions, and you'll be good to go. This is a genuine Honda part, ensuring the best quality and fit. It's built to the highest standards, so you can trust it to perform. Keep your Honda running like new with this air filter. What we like. This air filter is a genuine Honda part, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal engine performance. It helps to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. If you are looking for a reliable replacement part to maintain your mower's performance, you should consider it. What people say. The Honda HRN is easy to start. The auto choke feature works well. The mower has a powerful engine. Number 4. Honda 08P59 VE2-000AH Mower Cover. This is a brand new, genuine Honda mower cover. It's designed to protect your 21-inch cut lawn mower. This cover is a genuine OEM Honda part. You can trust its quality and durability to protect your mower. The cover is custom fitted for walk-behind 21-inch mowers. It provides a snug and secure fit. Made from waterproof and breathable polyester, it shields your mower from the elements. It helps prevent rust and damage. The cover features the iconic red Honda logo. It's a stylish way to protect your equipment. This is the official Honda part number for this cover. Ensure you're getting the right fit for your mower. What we like. This mower cover is waterproof and breathable, protecting your mower from the elements. Its custom-fitted design ensures a snug and secure fit. If you want to keep your mower in top condition and protect it from weather damage, you should consider this cover. What people say. The Honda HRN is easy to start. The auto choke feature is a great addition. The mower is lightweight and easy to maneuver. Number 3. Honda HRN 216 Lawn Mower Tune-Up Kit. Keep your Honda HRN 216 lawn mower running smoothly with this complete tune-up kit. It includes everything you need for regular maintenance, ensuring optimal performance. This kit has all the genuine Honda parts you need. It's a convenient all-in-one solution for your mower's upkeep. The kit contains an air filter, spark plug, upper and lower blades, and 10W30 oil. These components are essential for peak performance. This kit is designed specifically for all HRN 216 series models. You can be sure that it will fit your mower perfectly. The included blades ensure a clean and efficient cut. Using this kit will help you maintain a healthy and beautiful lawn. What we like. This kit includes all the essential components for a complete tune-up, including an air filter, spark plug, blades, and oil. All parts are genuine Honda, guaranteeing quality and compatibility. If you are looking for a convenient and comprehensive solution to maintain your mower's performance, you should consider this kit. What people say. Perfect for refreshing your Honda mower to keep it at tip-top operational condition. These are OEM parts from Honda, so you know you are getting everything you need and don't have to worry about compatibility. The blades fit perfectly and provides excellent grass cut and mulch. The air filter fits perfectly as well. Exact replacement blade and parts. Number 2. Honda HRN 216 series walk-behind mower recoil starter. Is your lawnmower difficult to start? This recoil starter assembly can help. It's designed to get your mower running smoothly and efficiently. This is a genuine OEM Honda part. That means it's made to the exact specifications of your mower. You can trust its quality and durability. This recoil starter assembly fits several Honda HRN 216 models. It's compatible with a range of mowers, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. Installing this recoil starter is straightforward. It's designed for a hassle-free replacement, getting you back to mowing your lawn quickly. Replace your old or faulty recoil starter with this genuine Honda part. It will restore your mower's starting performance, making lawn care easier. What we like. This recoil starter assembly is a genuine OEM Honda part, ensuring perfect fit and reliable performance. It provides an easy and efficient way to start your engine. If you are experiencing starting issues with your mower, you should consider replacing it with this assembly. What people say. The Honda HRN is easy to start. The auto choke feature works well. It has a powerful engine. Number 1. Honda 72610 VG3-030 blade holder. This is a genuine OEM part from Honda. It's designed to meet the original manufacturer's specifications. You can trust its quality and durability. This blade holder is a direct replacement for the 72610 VG3-020 model. It's built to the same standards as the original part. This ensures a perfect fit and function. It fits a variety of Honda lawnmower models, including HRR 216K6 and HRX 217K4 series. Please check the model list to see if it's compatible with your machine. These are some of the specific models that this part is compatible with. Make sure to verify your model number before purchasing. This will help ensure the part fits correctly. Always consult your machine's manual before ordering any replacement parts. This will help you confirm the correct part number for your specific model. This ensures the best performance. What we like. This blade holder is a genuine OEM Honda part, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal cutting performance. It is designed to replace the original part and maintain your mower's efficiency. If you need to replace a worn or damaged blade holder, you should consider this one. What people say. The Honda HRN is easy to start. The Honda HRN has a powerful engine. The Honda HRN has a great mulching capability. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.